this be one of the best moments of your life. You're listening to the Business Mirror podcast for a broader look on business with Senior Editor Dennis Estopace.
Good day. Welcome to Business Mondays with BM, a segment of the Business Mirror BM Broader Look podcast that tackles the performance of the Philippine stock market. The Business Mondays with BM podcast is based on the stock market outlook story written by Business Mirror reporter VG Kabuag and comes out every Monday. Today we podcast week 22 of the stock market outlook for May 24 to May 28, 2021. For the text version online, please go to the Business Mirror website and search for Stock Market Outlook. For the print edition, please go to the company section of the Business Mirror newspaper. Let's get on with the story. Last week, share prices fell, with the main index returning to the 6,100 point level as investors waited for more significant catalysts to start their trade. The benchmark Philippine Stock Exchange Index fell 70.11 points to close at 6,199.25 points. This past trading week, it had three positive sessions on the back of late-day buying, two of which were in the final minutes. Jafet Luis Tanchanco, Senior Research Analyst at PhilStocks Financials Incorporated, said. Tanchanco added this has trimmed the market's losses for the week. Also, the market managed to keep its position above the 6,100 support level. Trading also remained lethargic, implying that many are staying on the sidelines, Tanchanco said. He added that investors are still looking for a catalyst that can induce market participation. The average daily trading for the week was valued at 5.06 billion pesos as foreign trades, which now accounted for an average of 43% of all trades, were net sellers to 2.6 billion pesos. All other sub-indices ended mostly on the green. The broader all shares index was down 8.25 points to 3,842.73 points. The financials index fell 26.83 to close at 1,372.47. The industrial index rose 19.41 to close at 8,578.12. The holding firms index plunged 200.33 to close lower at 6,144.54. The property index climbed 52.52 to close higher at 3,000.93. The services index was up 19.22 to close at 1,453.69. And the mining and oil index surged 240.21 to close higher at 9,311.23. For the week, gainers slightly edged losers 118 to 111 and 22 shares were unchanged. The top gainers for the week were Mabuhay Holdings Corporation, Panasonic Manufacturing Philippines Corporation, Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated, Mabuhay Vinyl Corporation, Boulevard Holdings Incorporated, and PXP Energy Corporation. The top losers, on the other hand, were Metro Alliance Holdings and Equities Corporation B shares, Bright Kindle Resources and Investment Incorporated, Coal Asia Holdings Incorporated, Jollyville Holdings Corporation, MJC Investments Corporation, and Medco Holdings Incorporated. Share prices may continue on a downward path this week as investors may remain in the sidelines with the exception of some sporadic buying due to bargain hunting. Investors are still expected to look for tailwinds, Tanchanco said. If there will be none, worries over the local economy are seen to dominate sentiment, which in turn may lead to a further decline in the local bourse, Tanchanco added. Tanchanco said the market could move higher if there will be hints of further easing of restrictions in the NCR Plus area after May 31. A further decline in the daily COVID-19 case counts of the country may also help spur positive sentiment, Tanchanco said. Meanwhile, Tanchanco said an increase in the daily new cases and or a detection of more coronavirus cases with the variant from India may worsen the pessimism in the market. According to the Department of Health COVID-19 Case Bulletin number 435, about 3,083 new cases were reported, bringing the total number of cases to nearly 1.18 million. The Health Department's Case Tracker website said the total active cases number at 50,635. The number of cases that recovered is just above 1.1 million, while the total number of deaths is nearly 20,000. Meanwhile, Broker 2Trade Asia said the recent MSCI rebalancing, which saw mainly deletions of Philippine firms, signaled that confidence of foreign funds in the country's local equities may likely remain impassive. This means that the market may rely mostly on the local market to prop up sentiment. The 56 billion peso initial public offering of Monde Nissin Corporation may also prompt cash holders to withhold their deployment until the company's June 1 listing. Listings of this size tend to funnel interest away from nearest peers, in this case consumer staples, so it may be prudent to brace for thin participation, especially for names such as Universal Robina Corporation and San Miguel Food and Beverage Incorporated. Broker 2Trade Asia said. Crucial support for the main index is seen at 6,000 points and resistance at 6,300 to 6,400 points. For the stock picks, broker Regina Capital and Development Corporation advised to take profits on the stock of Pure Gold Price Club Incorporated, the grocery chain operator, as its technical readings show market indecisiveness on the stock. Judging the charts, a pullback in price is likely to take place as indicators are unanimously bearish towards Pure Gold Price Club Incorporated, Regina Capital said. Hence, the broker said it would be wise for investors with attractive positions to take in their profits before the strength of bearishness gets rekindled again. Regina Capital said support to watch out is at 33 pesos and 82 centavos, while resistance to keep a close eye on is at 35 pesos and 45 centavos. The shares of Pure Gold Price Club Incorporated closed last Friday at 35 pesos and 30 centavos apiece. Meanwhile, the broker advised to trade the range on the stock of Ayala Corporation after it was one of the targets of profit takers during the session last week. The stock saw its price slip by 1.11% or 8 points to close at 711 pesos, Regina Capital said. The broker added that momentum indicators continue to speak with modest bearishness. Regina Capital placed a support price for the stock at 700 pesos to 689 pesos and 40 centavos and resistance between 719 pesos and 50 centavos and 735 pesos. The shares of Ayala Corporation closed last week at 700 pesos apiece. And now for the weekly weather outlook via the website of the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA. PAGASA issued the weather outlook for the week at 12 noon of May 21, valid until 12 noon of Friday, May 28, 2021. PAGASA said that by Monday until Wednesday, May 24 to May 26, a southward migration of an intertropical convergence zone is expected. PAGASA said this will bring cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms over Palawan, Visayas, and Mindanao, while Metro Manila and the rest of Luzon will experience generally fair weather conditions except for some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms due to easterlies. PAGASA said that by Thursday and Friday, May 27 and May 28, easterlies will be the dominant weather system that will affect the most parts of the country and will bring partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms over Metro Manila and the rest of the Philippines. Throughout the outlook period of May 21 to May 28, warm and humid weather condition is still expected over Metro Manila and the central and northern Luzon areas, PAGASA said. Further, no tropical cyclone is expected. However, PAGASA said this outlook will be updated if significant changes in the weather pattern occur.
Thank you for listening to the Business Mirror podcast. For a broader look on business, follow us on Facebook and Twitter Business Mirror. Until next time.